So we got the subject selected. So either use the select menu subject or take the object selection, select subject.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. So I have selected, subject is selected. I will put a mask to it, layer mask.
Okay.
I will click on the layer mask. So the background is removed.
Okay.
Okay, that we used to do before also. For removing the background, select the subject and applying a mask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now I will drop my other image to blend. I have the other image to blend. I will drop it. So I will change the opacity to blend it properly. I'll select the layer. We have the opacity, the transparency of the layer. I'll
Okay.
reduce it a little bit so I can compose the image properly inside the subject.
Okay.
Okay, just
Okay.
reducing the opacity of this image layer.
Okay, sir.
So I'll put it down. Okay. Change the opacity to compose it properly. After that, I will increase the opacity again. Okay, make it 100%. I'm making it 100% again. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I will right click on the image layer. The image layer is on the top. Down, there is a subject masked. Okay.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
click on the image layer and I
Okay.
will right click on the image layer and go to create clipping mask.
Clipping. Okay.
Okay. Click on create clipping mask. So the image will be masked inside the subject.
Okay, sir.
Once again, we have to change the blend mode. I am selecting the image layer. I am changing the blend mode. We have to change the blend mode. Blend mode is in normal. The blend mode is in normal. I am changing to lighten.
Okay.
Okay, we have different types of blend modes. I'm clicking on this drop down. Select the image layer. I'm clicking in the drop down. I'm changing the blend mode to lighten.
Okay.
Okay, change from the image layers. Blend mode from normal to
Right.
normal. It is not transparent. So I'm changing the clicking on the image layer. I'm changing the blend mode from normal to lighten.
Okay, sir.
Okay, lighten. The blend mode to lighten.
Okay.
Okay, so we get this kind of effect. So we will clip it. We have to clip. We will clip it once we change the blend mode to lighten. I will right click on the image layer.
Clipping.
I will create a clipping mask.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
So now I'll put a solid fill layer to blend the background. So I'll create a solid fill layer in the here in the layer panel. If you come here in this button,
Okay.
okay, these all are normal layers. This will get the adjustment layers and solid fill layers separately. We can because these layers will come with the mask. Automatically, it will come with the mask. No need to give separate mask.
Okay.
If you go here and create a layer, it is a normal layer. We have to apply the mask separately. If you go to
Okay.
here we will get the adjustment layers that we will discuss, and we will get the solid fill layers also.
Okay.
Come to this button. This is a folder next to that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, click on it. So I will create a solid color layer. It's just a solid fill layer. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Clicking on, coming here, clicking over here, and click on solid color.
Okay.
So pick a color. So that layer is in the top. I will drag it down behind the subject.
Okay.
Okay, I will change the layer order. I will drag it down behind the subject. So to change the color, this is a mask. So all these layers, whatever layers you are creating from here, it will come with the mask. This is a
Okay.
fill and this is a mask. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I will change the color here. Double click and change it.
Okay.
Okay, I will click on the image layer. I'll have to apply a mask there. I want to bring some details of the subject.
Okay.
Okay, so I will select the image layer and I will apply a mask, layer mask.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will apply a layer mask. I will click on the mask.
Okay.
Okay, so now for revealing the details, what do you have to do? We have to take the brush tool. Okay, we have to choose foreground color, black color.
Black. Okay.
Okay, then we have to paint over the areas to hide.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is a mask in the image layer. It is for hiding this image. So the subject will be revealed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. So apply the mask, click on the mask, take the brush tool. B is a hotkey. Adjust the brush size by the brackets. I will reduce the flow of the brush. So it will reduce the paint buildup. Slowly, only the paint will come. Slowly only it will reveal the subject. Okay, so it will be a little soft.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will reduce the flow a little bit. Then I will start painting over the areas. Oh, we haven't choose the foreground color. The foreground color should be black.
Okay.
Okay, black will hide and white will reveal.
Okay.
Okay, so always while applying the layer mask, take the brush tool and choose the foreground color, black color.
Black. Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. So now we'll start painting. Okay, okay. You are Shravani, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Please mute.
Okay.
Yeah. So take the apply the mask, take the brush, take the foreground color black, and start painting over the subject to bring the details. You can adjust the flow again to make it blend little more. So adjust the flow to blend it. Wherever you want soft edges, reduce the flow and apply. Where you want it completely, we can go for more values. Where you want to blend softly, you have to reduce the flow. Okay. Now we have to apply a camera filter after merging camera raw filter, but the camera raw filter is not enabled. That I will check and I will show the camera raw filter another day. Okay. Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, because the camera no filter. Previously also I checked camera in this version here in this system. And another computer is coming. This computer camera or filter is not coming. So that I will show another day. I will check what is the issue and I will show camera raw filter another day. So this is a way of blending. I will show one more example. This clear. I will show one more example. So this we have applied the lighten to this image. Okay. We have masked the subject. We have put the we have changed the blend mode to lighten. Sometime we will use another blend mode. Here we use lighten. For another images we will use screen. We might use screen. We might use multiply depending on. Okay. And we have applied a mask to the image layer to reveal the subject. Okay. So that way of blending the images is called as double exposure. Is it clear? Okay, I will show one
Yes,
more
sir.
example with another blending mode. Oh, this is not the canvas. I have to change the canvas. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. I will drop the subject. Okay, we have the subject layer. So we'll do the same thing after getting the subject. I will click on this layer. I will go to either you go to the object selection or go to the select menu and select subject. Go to the select menu, subject. Okay. Yeah. Select menu, subject. So subject is selected. I will apply a layer mask. So the background is removed. Now I will drop the image layer. So I will change the reduce opacity of it to compose it a little bit. How to scale it? I will scale the image. I will change the opacity to 100 back. Okay. Now we have the subject which is masked and we have the image layer. So I will click on the image layer. Now I will change the blend mode to screen. Okay. This time I am changing the blend mode to screen. Last time we used lighten. Can you hear me? Okay, yeah. This time I am selecting the image layer and I am changing the blend mode to screen. Okay. Yeah. So we'll keep it. So I have changed the blend mode to screen. Now I will apply a clipping mask. I will right click on the image layer and we have to create a clipping mask. So it will be, the image will be clipped inside the subject. Okay. So select the image layer, right click and create a clipping mask. So now the same thing. So I will put a solid fill layer for the background. I will create a solid fill layer. I will go to the layer here, this adjustment layers and the solid fill layers also we can create. It will come with a mask. So click here. I choose solid color. I will change it after. Okay. I will drag it down behind the subject. I will pick the color. I will copy the color code. Double click here. This is a mask for all the solid fill layers you are creating from here. It will come with a mask. So this is a solid fill and this is a mask. So to change the color, you have to click here and double click. Double click. You can change the color. I'll paste the color code. Okay. So no. So to bring the details of the subject, what we will do? Can you tell me? To bring the brush tool. After yes, soft brush. After applying a mask is done. Yes. Yeah. So we have to apply a layer mask, then take the brush, choose foreground color black, then apply it. Okay. So select the image layer which is now clipped. We have created the clipping mask. First we change the blend mode to screen. If it is normal, it's like this. So we can choose the different blend mode. So I change the blend mode to screen. Okay. After that, I right click and create clipping mask. Now I will apply a layer mask and I will brush over the areas I want to reveal. So the image will be hidden. So the subject will be revealed. So click on the image layer, click on the layer mask, click on the mask, take the brush tool, adjust the brush size. So we have one more image to blend. 1 second. After that, we have one more image. So this process of blending the images is called as double exposure. Using the blend modes, mask and everything, that is called as double exposure. So I will have a bird image. I will scale it. Position. Sorry, but I didn't show to the other student.
No, sir. I
Yeah.
didn't. Sure. I didn't.
So after that, it will be continually just 2 classes here and there. After that, you will be in the same place. Now almost from this class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this blend mode, I have to change to multiply. So click on the layer, change the blend mode to multiply. multiply. I will scale it. So if you want to hide, I want to hide this bird, these two birds. I will apply a layer mask there. In this bird layer, I will apply a layer mask. Click on the mask. I will take the brush. I will take
Sure.
hard brush, so it will be completely hidden. No need to blend it. So remove the birds. So I will increase the flow, and I will click on these two birds. As two birds I don't want. Okay, it is hidden. So now we have to reveal the subject. For that, we have applied a mask here in the sunset image layer. I have applied a mask. Click on it. Take the brush tool. Choose the foreground color black. And reduce the flow a little bit. Then I will paint over the areas I want to reveal. I will take the soft round brush. So this process is called as a double exposure. So using the blend modes, applying the layer mask and blending the images. Reduce the flow gain. So got it right? Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes,
Got
sir.
it right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next is a sky replacement tool. This is fine, right? You are clear, right?
Sir, clear.
Okay. We'll go to the next topic. Fine. So Photoshop has its own sky replacement option. If you go to the edit menu, we go to the edit menu, sky replacement. Click on the layer. Edit menu, sky replacement. Okay, so it will detect the sky and it will remove it. Edit menu, sky replacement. We have different types of sky. You can choose from the libraries the sky we want. Okay, it will detect the sky and it will remove it. It will change the sky. Okay. So choose the sky from the library. Spectacular skies. Okay. Just go to the edit menu, sky replacement. We can apply the sky you want. Then we can blend it by the shift edge, fade edge attributes. We can blend it. So just go to the edit menu, sky replacement, and choose the sky you want. Okay? Clear, right? Hello, can you please respond?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, yes. So this is a default option, AI-based options in Photoshop, the sky replacement. So some tools works with AI. So we have the sky replacement option if you have an image. So go to edit menu, click on the layer, then only it will be active. Click on the layer and go to edit menu, sky replacement. Okay, click on it. So it will detect the sky, and we have a library of skies. Lot of skies are there. It will detect the sky area and it will replace it automatically. So we have the library here in the drop down. We can choose the different type of skies we want. These are the skies in the library. Come to spectacular. There also other skies are there. Okay, choose any sky from the library. We have a lot of skies here. Choose the sky we want. Okay, just go to select the layer, go to edit menu, sky replacement. It will detect the sky and it will replace it with the sky we want in the library. Okay? Yeah, okay, fine. Next are the eraser tools. The eraser tools in Photoshop. The eraser tools, we have three types of eraser. First is a normal eraser. Okay, 1 second, I will select the other one. Nice image. So we have three types of eraser tools. First is a normal eraser. I'm taking the normal eraser. Normal eraser, it will just erase the pixels. Wherever you want to erase, it will erase the pixels. Okay, I'm taking the eraser tool. I'm adjusting the brush size. So we have it is going to the background color. If you erase an pixels of an image, you will be seeing the background color. Whatever color is there in the background, you will be seeing it. Okay, after erasing the pixels. If you don't want the background color, if you want to make it transparent, then we will unlock we will unlock the background and make it a layer. So this is a background layer. I just open the image. I will click on this lock. So it will change to a normal layer. Now if you apply the eraser, it will be transparent. Okay. Yeah. So eraser tool, nothing. It will erase the pixels. Simply it will erase the pixels. Okay. So if you want to make it transparent, don't want the background color means you have to unlock it. Unlock the layer. So it will directly go to the transparency. It won't show the background color. If it is just a background and it is locked, unlock it and erase. So we will get the transparency. That is a normal eraser. Next is a background eraser. Next is the background eraser tool. The second one in the eraser, the background eraser. I'm taking the background eraser tool. Next one, the background eraser tool. So this tool, so we can go to the, this first option works normally like the other eraser. If you change the option from next one, sample once, can you see the toolbar there? There are tools, right? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I will, if I go to sampling once, that is the next option. Using this and removing the background, we have to use the second option, sample once. So click on sample once, that is the second option, click on it. And where you put the cursor, so I am putting in yellow color or I am putting in red color. I'm putting the cursor point where you are putting. Left clicking, it will take that sample, color and it will erase only that color. It won't touch other colors. So I'm left clicking here, I put the cursor in the red color and start erasing. So if you erase in yellow, it won't erase. It will erase only that sampled color. Okay. So I will work with an image. I will show you. So from the where you sampled it, it will erase only that color. So I'll take another image and I will show you. So here we have a image. So here some ropes are there, some wires are there, and one person is there, and there is a background. Okay. So I want to remove this background. Okay. So we can use the background eraser for this. So take the background eraser, next to the eraser, background eraser, and choose the option sample once. Okay, second option. You have to choose sample once, not the first one. Then it won't work. Choose sampling once. Click on it. Then from where you are picking, the first time you are left clicking, that color will be sampled. Then don't release the mouse. Then just erase it. Reduce the brush size. So where you are putting that arrow, that cursor, right? The cursor point. The cursor point where you are putting, not the circle, inside point. Okay. So where you are putting it, when you left click, that color it will sample. And only that color it will erase. So I will put the cursor here. I will left click and I will start erasing. So you can see if you come to the ropes, it won't touch the ropes. It will erase only that color. Okay. So we can erase complex images with the help of this background eraser. Okay. So from where you sampled, that color only it will erase. It won't touch the other colors. You have to choose the option sampling once. Then don't release the mouse. Once you left click, don't release it. Keep on erasing. So it will erase the colors. Those colors we have sampled. The other colors, other subjects, it won't touch. And if you want to sample color, another color means you have to release, left click again and you have to apply. Okay. The first left click where it is, that color it will take. Okay. Is it clear? Hello? Online people? Is it clear? Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Where
sir.
you place the cursor, where you place the cursor, this point, this cursor point, not the circle, the inside cross, where you put it, left click, that color it will sample. Okay, if I put this cursor here in this, In this, it will sample that color and it will erase, start erasing that. Other colors it won't touch. Okay? Got it right? Online people? Got it right? So the first time you left click, don't release the mouse. Keep on erasing. The first time when you left click, that color it will take as a sample and it will erase only that colors. Okay, it won't touch the other colors. If you want to sample another color means now if I want to erase this. So I will come here, put the cursor here. I will left click and you should be in the option sampling once. The second option, okay? If you are in first option, it won't work like that. It will act as a normal eraser. It will erase all the pixels. So you have to choose the option sampling once, okay? Then put the cursor here wherever you want to erase. Left click, then start erasing. It will erase only those pixels. Other colors it won't touch. Got it right? Yeah. Next one is the magic eraser. It's similarly same as a magic pen. If it is a single solid color, you can remove it easily with the magic eraser. So if it's a single solid color, I want to remove the red. Okay, it is removed. I want to remove this yellow. Same like the magic pen. Left click, it will be removed. The single solid color, you can left click on it, it will be removed. Okay. The magic eraser, same like the magic pen. If it's a single solid color, you can apply it like the magic pen. Okay. Come to the color, left click, it will be removed. Okay. Yeah. So clear, right? Eraser tools are clear, right? Okay. Yeah. So we will continue with the next class. Hello? Yeah, yeah. Fine, fine. Yeah, fine. Okay. Thank you.